In front of me is Cubot King Kong Mini 3, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness. First of all, go into Settings and click on Display. Then select Brightness, Adaptive Brightness, over here, located under Night Light. And click on this switcher next to Use Adaptive Brightness to activate it. If the switcher is blue, that means that auto brightness is on, but you can always switch it off by tapping on the same switcher again. If you want to, you can also go into Tap menu and click on this sun located next to your brightness slider. This way you can switch it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!